this is the case that I'm working on now, the NZXT H9 Elite Case. So looks similar to a 011, but I think personally this is more well built. The corner of the glass is different, and I like how the radiator mount is made, but the problem is this edge. If you put a thicker radiator or with a wider size, this will have an issue with it. Okay. Here there's you could put a 360mm radiator, but make sure that it's a slim one, or the width is smaller. Okay. And I like how the way they did this. There's an acrylic, see-through acrylic here, and then they made this small because some of their cases it's too big. I like how this panel was made. Okay, ample space for radiators and intake. Okay, so here's the build now. The sleeves are set. The aluminum covers here, here, and here are installed for the LED strips. Okay, the cable management is done. So, and also I installed a acrylic cover here so that the hot air from the radiator won't circulate inside and go to the back of the motherboard or the power supply. And also I've covered the part here, and also I already installed this tube because it's gonna be hard for me to install it because I already covered it, the top, because it's too far behind. Okay, everything's done, and now for the best part.